For 29 years, Sun Sound has been packing 60 beer booths, more than 300 beers, 10 food booths, a ton of ice, and about 100 volunteers at their annual Great Tucson Beer Festival. The feat is huge for the nonprofit organization that provides audio access to people who cannot read because they have a visual impairment. This event is their biggest fundraiser, and every year it gets bigger and better. But while I was going around with my camera, getting footage of the people having fun, in the background, I saw the people in orange t-shirts. They were putting up the tents early in the morning. They were stacking the glasses, filling the jugs, distributing the flyers, and preparing the wristbands, tickets, and shelling money out of their own pocket so the event comes off smooth and enjoyable for all. My hat goes off to each and every one of you who stayed up late stuffing the bags, got up early to set up the tents, bring the ice, fill the kegs, empty the trash, wipe the bottles, and helped in any way. You did it with a smile. It shows how committed you are to Sun Sound's mission and your love for Mitzi Theron. That woman can get a fly to fly who has no wings. Congratulations. All I heard throughout the night was, "Who's driving? Let's go try that, Amber." And my favorite beer so far is the one that someone pours for me.